Lenovo just did the unthinkable. After a 4-year hiatus from the smartphone arena, the gaming giant is officially back with this, the all-new Lenovo Legion Y70 2026. And guys, they aren't playing around. While brands like Red Magic are pushing ultra-premium prices, Lenovo just dropped a device packing a flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, a massive 8,000 mAh battery, and a record-shattering 7,000 nit peak brightness screen. All for a starting price of roughly $450 in China. Is this the ultimate budget flagship killer of 2026, or did Lenovo cut too many corners? Let's find out. Let's talk pure power. Under the hood, this beast runs Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chip, built on a cutting-edge 3nm architecture. Pair that with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X Ultra RAM, operating at a blazing 9,600 Mbps, and this phone absolute flies. But high performance means high heat, right? To solve this, Lenovo deployed their new Qiankan Ningjin cooling system. We're talking a massive 5,500mm square vapor chamber, combined with raw liquid metal and advanced thermal gels. In testing, this drop cools the CPU core temperature by up to 7 degrees Celsius under sustained load. The result? Rock-solid stable frames during marathon gaming sessions without the phone melting in your hands. Flip it over to the front, and you're looking at a stunning 6.82-inch 2K LTPO AMOLED display supplied by BOE. It features a butter-smooth 144Hz adaptive refresh rate and an insane 1,1500Hz instant touch sampling rate for near zero input lag. But here is the real kicker. This panel hits a mind-boggling 7,000 nits of local peak brightness and 2,100 nits of global brightness. Outdoors under direct sunlight, it is effortlessly readable. Plus, Lenovo integrated DC dimming and SGS hardware-level low blue light protection, meaning your eyes won't give out before your battery does. Speaking of batteries, this is the crown jewel of the Legion Y70. Lenovo managed to cram a gargantuan 8,000 mAh Star Ring battery inside a chassis that weighs only 224 grams. This isn't just a one-day phone. It's a legitimate 2 to 3 day battery champion for normal use. Lenovo is even backing it with a massive 4-year health warranty. When you do need to juice up, the 90-watt super flash charge gets you back in the action fast. And for the hardcore gamers out there, yes, it supports bypass charging. You can plug it in while playing, and the power goes straight to the system instead of the battery keeping the phone completely cool. To hit that insane $450 price tag, Lenovo did dial back the cameras slightly compared to traditional ultra flagships. You get a solid 50-megapixel primary Sony LY710 sensor with optical image stabilization (OIS), an 8-megapixel ultra-wide that doubles as a macro lens, and a 32-megapixel selfie camera. It's clean, it's sharp, and it gets the job done for everyday shots, even if it won't win any mobile photography awards. But let's be real, you aren't buying this phone for professional photography. You're buying it for unparalleled gaming endurance and raw performance per dollar. Lenovo's return to the mobile space is an absolute triumph. What do you guys think? Is the Legion Y70 2026 your next gaming upgrade? Drop your thoughts below. Smash that like button and subscribe to Teletech for more deep dives just like this. Catch you in the next one.